Okay, today I'm going to be checking Neve's cerebellar and basal ganglion responses and to see if there's any problems going on there. So the first one I do, I check her face to see symmetry, just to see if there's any abnormal movements or tremors or anything going on in the face that it will give me possible indications. The second one I would do is get her speech. So I get her to say British Bulldog.
British Bulldog.
And that was fine. A negative response to that would be if she started slurring the speech or she just couldn't remember it, not any type of abnormalities with the speech. Next one we're going to check is for is nystagmus. So I'm going to get you to keep your head straight, and with my finger I want you to follow with your eyes. So over to the side and to the other side and back, and that was normal for Neve. A negative response to that one would be that if I went to any side and there was nystagmus in the eye, that would be a sign, and the side that it was on would be the side that I would be thinking that there's a cerebellar issue with. The next one we would look for is just while she's sitting there, I could look for truncal ataxia. So signs for that would be swaying and not being able to just keep nice and straight. Another test we would do would be finger to nose. So touch your nose to my finger and back, going faster, and I'd be moving my finger. A negative result, that's fine, thank you, Neve. That was good. A negative response would be if she was missing her nose or missing my finger and she couldn't do it quickly. And that word's a bit of a mouthful, this word is dysmetria. The next one I would do is put your hand out, Neve, and put your other hand on top, and I'd get you to go over fast. That's fine. Swap hands, so put your other hand out. Yep, that's good. Negative for that would be that she couldn't do it quickly, and there might be higher movements rather than just straight over. And this is a sign of dysdiadodokinesia. Alright, next one I would check is reflexes. So I'm just going to check these reflexes. For cerebellar disease, you can have, is also a sign of hypertonicity that you have with cerebellar disease. So a normal reflex is I hit the reflex, I've just got to get it right. There it is there. Yep, and there was a small reflex there by Neve, which is perfect. If there was a problem, she would normally, the leg might go 2 or 3 times, which is a sign of there's a problem there. The next one I would do is get her to stand up for me, please. Just standing still. I'd be looking for some swaying, which would be a problem for balance, and there's no problem there. So then I would go on to do some gait. So I'll get you to take 5 steps that way and back for me too. And while she's doing that, this looks quite good. Thank you, Neve. You can just stop there. A negative response for that one would be if she started swaying, and whatever side she sways to is the side of the problem with the cerebellum. And the last one we would do while we're here, I'll just give Neve a pen and paper, and I'll just get you to write your name and address. And while she's doing that, which looks fine, if it was a problem, normally what happens is that as they're writing, they'll slow down. And the other thing that can happen is that you should be looking to see how she's holding the pen, if it's in an abnormal way. And that covers all our tests for the cerebellum and basal ganglion. So thank you very much.